Welcome. If you've been using the X app and noticed that tapping on certain areas during a search brings up features you don't really need, you might be looking for a way to turn that off. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable the tap on search feature on the X app so you can browse without those extra interruptions. The process is quick, simple, and only takes a few moments. First, open the X app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal settings. Once the app is open, look at the top left or top right corner depending on the version you're using and tap on your profile icon. This will open up a menu with several options related to your account. From here, scroll down and find Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and tap on that. You'll now be in the main settings area, where all the controls for your account, privacy, and app display are located. Next, look for the option labeled Accessibility, Display, and Language. Select it to open even more customization features for the app. Inside this section, tap on Accessibility. This is where X keeps a variety of settings to help you adjust the way the app looks and responds to your actions. Now, find the option for Tap on Search. If it's currently enabled, the toggle next to it will be switched on. Simply tap that toggle to turn it off. Once it's disabled, the app will no longer trigger certain actions when you tap inside the search area. That's it, you've successfully turned off Tap on Search in the X app. With this setting disabled, your searches will feel smoother and more direct, without those extra actions popping up when you don't want them. Making small adjustments like this can really improve your overall experience with the X app. Now you can search exactly the way you want, fast, clean, and without distractions. If you found this helpful, consider checking out more tips to customize your app settings so it perfectly matches the way you like to use it. Thanks for following along.